We all know that rainfall is a vital factor on any ranch. It's the key to making informed decisions about everything from grazing to stocking rates. But what happens when the rainfall data you're relying on isn't telling the full story? We heard from producers that it was tough to trust and act on AgriWebb's rainfall data. We were missing key insights like rolling 12-month totals and historical comparisons. For farms with multiple gauges, the data defaulted to the highest value, which didn't truly reflect what was happening on the land. This made it difficult to answer critical questions like, how does this year compare to last? And do I have enough forage to maintain my current stocking rates? That's why we've completely upgraded AgriWebb's rainfall dashboards. Now you get clearer, more accurate insights that reflect the reality on your farm. This means you can make management decisions with confidence. Let's dive into the new features. First off, on the dashboard, we've made historical comparisons smarter. The rainfall graph now shows rolling 12-month rainfall, so you can see your current trend at a glance. We've added side-by-side views of month-to-date rainfall for this year versus last year, making it easy to see how your current season is stacking up. You can hover over each data point to see more details. You can also select and deselect attributes to focus on the information you care about the most. These insights are available both on web and mobile, ensuring you always have the full picture. For users with multiple gauges, we've added a gauge selector. Select the gauge that is most relevant to the area you're managing to get a precise view of the rainfall data you need. We've been sure to expand the gauge selector logic to key reports for consistency. Users looking to understand DSE or animal load by paddock can tune the report to read rainfall for particular gauges. Similarly, ranchers taking full advantage of our grazing planner can select between rainfall gauges to ensure their grazing plan is reflecting precise rainfall realities. Next up, we'll talk about what these updates look like on the mobile app. Switching over to the mobile app, we've added new quick view rainfall cards. Now you can see at-a-glance summaries for 12-month rolling rainfall and long-term averages, in addition to existing stats like year-to-date rainfall and wet days. This gives you key insights immediately without having to dig for them. On the rainfall records page, in addition to the quick view cards, you'll see the same graph that is featured on the web dashboard. You can click month to month to see rainfall details and turn on and off data points as desired. Similar to the web app, users maintain control of the rainfall data they are seeing. Users with multiple gauges can use the Switch Rain Gauge button at the top of the report to toggle between their gauges. Getting started with these updates is easy. If you already have rain gauges set up, these updates will automatically be available to you. Just open your AgriWebb app or log into the web dashboard and explore the new features. If you need to add a rain gauge, simply use the Add Landmarks feature on your farm map on the web to get started. With these enhanced rainfall dashboards, you have the accurate, relevant rainfall data you need to make confident pasture management, grazing, and stocking decisions. Please keep the feedback coming and let us know what you'd like to see next in rainfall records or beyond.